In this video, I'm going to let you know what is actually your Snapchat score. So in order to know that, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So Snapchat score is a measure of users' activity and engagement on the Snapchat platform. It is essentially a numerical representation of how active a user is on the following application. So here's how the Snapchat score works. So when you actually open up your Snapchat application and then go to your chats icon, when you send a snap to someone or post a snap on your story, you earn points. Similarly, when you open a snap that someone else has sent you, you also earn points. Now these points contribute to your Snapchat scores. If he sends you a snap, you earn a point for opening it, and however, if someone sends you a snap and you don't open it, you won't earn any points. Likewise, if you post a snap to your story, you earn a point. This encourages users to share content with their friends and followers as well. So when you send a snap directly to one or more friends, you earn a point for each snap that you have sent. So similarly, sending and receiving chats also contribute to a Snapchat score, although the exact point system for Snapchat is not publicly disclosed by Snapchat itself as well. And accordingly, maintaining a Snapchat streak with another user by exchanging snap every day increases your Snapchat score. And snap streak are indicated by an emoji next to the user's name. That is when you actually go to your chat page, and here you can see there's this icon or the emoji next to the user's name. That is actually my Snapchat streak. And interacting with discovering content and using features like Snap Map may also contribute to your Snapchat score, although PCs are not publicly disclosed. The Snapchat score is displayed to your username when you actually go to your profile, and here you can see I have 26,426. That is actually my Snapchat score. It serves as a way to gamify engagement on the platform and encourages users to stay active by sending and receiving snap regularly. So that's basically how the Snapchat score works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.